Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We are in Loch, Lomond, Scotland, and this is the boat tour area. Here you can book a boat and take a tour around the Loch Lomond. There are lots of boats and their prices depend upon the tour timings and the boat size. People have their personal boats as well. Look there. They park their boats here and pay the rent on the daily and monthly basis. There is a nice sitting area for the juice, coffee. Let's go there and have a look at the lakeside. I'll try my best to cover all the places wherever we go so that you will enjoy our tour and view different places. This is the lake. Yeah, let me zoom. It's a pretty nice area, very greenery and scenic beauty. This is the area where you can enjoy the day trip. If you have any questions in mind, you can ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. See you guys in my next video, some new place. Take care. Bye bye.